Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to integrate Octane AI with Shopify. So step number 1, click on Add App on Octane's Shopify App Store page. Using the quiz will require a connection to a Shopify store. So step 2, in the next screen, click Install to start the process. And step 3, create your admin account or sign in if you have one. Click sign in if you already have an admin account. And step 4, you'll be redirected to Stripe to add card details and accept billing. Your trial starts after clicking the start trial. Quiz's response can be sent as data to integrations on any plan. But certain features like dynamic products content in Klaviyo are only available on Octane Plus. That's it. Thanks for watching.